GST, Goods and Services Tax, and Indian Contract Act 1872. Kerala PSC question paper for departmental exam, PSC exams, UPSC exams, UGC NET exam, SET, in-service exams, degree PG level exams, and various other exams. MCQ, multiple choice questions. Then question number 1. How many authorized banks are there where DDO can issue check for payment on OTC mode? Answer: 25 authorized banks. 5 authorized banks. Question number 2. Dash is a right to retain the property of another for a general balance of account. Answer: general lien. LIEN. General lien. Question number 3. From what date TDS and TCS provisions are to be implemented? Answer: 1/10/2018. 1/10/2018. 2018. Question number 4. In which form the DDO shall generate TDS certificate through the GSTN portal? Answer: GSTR 7A. Question number 5. Who is the deductor of TDS and TDS under GST law? Answer: government agencies. Question number 6. GST TDS provisions can apply where total value of such a supply under a contract exceeds rupees dash. Answer: 2.5 lakhs. 2.5 lakhs. Question number 7. If any deductor fails to furnish to the deductee the TDS certificate within 5 days of crediting such amount to the government, the deductor shall be liable for a sum of dash. Answer: rupees 100 per day, maximum of rupees 5,000. I repeat question number 7. If any deductor fails to furnish to the deductee the TDS certificate within 5 days of crediting such amount to the government, the deductor shall be liable for a sum of dash. Answer: rupees 100 per day, maximum rupees 5,000. Question number 8. Which of the following shall be mentioned in the TDS certificate? Option A: contract value, rate and amount of deduction. Option B: amount paid to the appropriate government. Correct answer: both A and B. That is, contract value, rate and amount of deduction, and amount paid to the appropriate government. Then question number 9. Who among the following is not required to file GSTR 1? Option A: input service distributor. Option B: deductor under section 51. Option C: supplier of OIDAR services. Option D: all of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. That is, who among the following is not required to file GSTR 1? Answer is input service distributor, deductor under section 51 and supplier of OIDAR services. Question number 10. What will be the late fee if GSTR 1 return not filed in time by the registered person having transactions during that relevant period? Answer: rupees 25 per day of CGST and SGST UT each. Question number 11. In case of nil GSTR 1, return not filed in time, late fee is? Answer: rupees 10 per day of CGST and SGST UT each. I repeat question number 11. In case of nil GSTR 1, return not filed in time, late fee is? Answer: rupees 10 per day of CGST and SGST UT each. I repeat question number 10. What will be the late fee if GSTR 1 return not filed in time by the registered person having transaction during that relevant period? Answer: rupees 25 per day of CGST and SGST UT each. Question number 12. In case there is no transaction during the relevant period, nil return is required to be filed by all dash. Answer, registered person. Question number 13. In the proposed return system, if the tax liability increases more than dash through amended return, higher rate fees are payable. Answer, 10%. Question. Details of outward supplies of goods or services by registered person paying tax under composition scheme shall be submitted in. Answer, form GSTR 4. Question number 15. Which return is to be submitted by ISD? Option A, form GSTR 1. Option B, form GSTR 4. Option C, form GSTR 6. Option D, form GSTR 7. Correct answer, option C, form GSTR 6. Question number 16. Details of outward supplies furnished by the supplier shall be made available to the concerned recipient, registered person paying tax under normal scheme in. Answer, Part A of form GSTR 2A. Question number 17. Details of outward supplies furnished by the supplier shall be made available to the concerned recipient, person paying under composition scheme in. Answer, form GSTR 4A. I repeat question number 17. Details of outward supplies furnished by the supplier shall be made available to the concerned recipients, person paying under composition scheme in dash. Answer, form GSTR 4A. Question number 18. Invoice uploaded by supplier can be viewed by the recipient dash. Answer, immediately in proposed return structure. Question number 19. Filing of return on quarterly basis by a regular person is dash. Answer, optional. Question number 20. In case of monthly returns, tax will be payable dash. Answer, before or at the time of filing return. Question number 21. Details of inward supplies received by an ISD shall be reflected in. Answer, form GSTR 6A. Question number 22. Details of B2B supplies shall be finished in. Answer, table 4 of GSTR 1. I repeat question number 22. Details of B2B supplies shall be finished in. Answer, table 4 of GSTR 1. Question number 23. The recipient will be able to view the GSTR 3B filing status of the supplier. Answer, after 20th in the viewing facility. Question number 24. Every e-commerce operator required to collect tax at source under section 52 of CGST Act shall furnish the return in. Answer, form GSTR 8. Then question number 25. Details B2C supplies exceeding rupees 2.50 lakhs shall be furnished in. Answer, table 5 of GSTR 1. Question number 26. Details of B2C supplies not exceeding rupees 2.50 lakhs shall be furnished in. Answer, table 7 of GSTR 1. Question number 27. Details of nil rated, exempted and non-GST outward supplies shall be furnished in. Answer, table 8 of GSTR 1. Question number 28. Any input tax credit omitted to be taken in a financial year can be taken on or before. Answer, option A, filing return for September of next financial year. Option B, annual return of the financial year. Option C, A or B, whichever is earlier. Correct answer, option C, A or B, whichever is earlier. That is, filing return for September of next financial year or annual return of the financial year, whichever is earlier. Question number 29. If payment is not made within dash, corresponding ITC is required to be reversed. Answer 180 days. 180 days. Question number 30. Breaking up of exports shall be furnished in answer table 6 of GSTR 1. Question number 31. Supplies made by SC without payment of taxes will be reported by cess unit in answer form GSTR 6. Question number 32. The recipient can take ITC of invoices in the same month if the supplier uploads the invoices in the proposed return structure by answer 10th of following month. Question number 33. Rectification of mistake in returns is not allowed after the answer option A. Due date for filing of returns for the month of September following the end of the financial year. Option B. Actual date of filing of relevant annual return. Option C. A or B, whichever is earlier. Correct answer option C. A or B, whichever is earlier. Correct answer option C. A or B, whichever is earlier. That is due date for filing of return for the month of September following the end of the financial year. Option B. Actual date of filing of relevant annual return, whichever is earlier. Question number 34. Upper ceiling of late fee for GSTR 1 is answer rupees 10,000 per return. Question number 35. Details of outward supply of goods or services by registered person paying tax under normal scheme shall be submitted in answer form GSTR 1. Question number 36. Composition dealer shall file dash return within dash. Answer quarterly. 18 days after the end of such a quarter. 18 days after the end of such a quarter. Question number 37. In case of regular person filing quarterly returns, payment of tax is required to be made dash. Answer monthly. Question number 38. Invoice-wise details of supplies with or without payment of taxes shall be furnished in answer table 4 of GSTR 1. Question number 39. Details of consolidated statement furnished of advance adjusted in current period can be amended through answer table 11B of GSTR 1. Question number 40. Table 12 of GSTR 1 contains answer HSN-wise summary of outward supplies. Then question number 41. Table 13 of GSTR 1 contains answer documents issued during tax period. Then question number 42. Deductor deducting tax under section 51 is required to file GSTR 7 monthly. Answer within 10 days after the end of such month. Question number 43. Input service distributor ISD is required to file return monthly. Answer within 13 days after the end of such month. Within 3 days after the end of such month. Question number 44. It is mandatory to report HSN code at 4 digits level for taxpayers having annual turnover of dash in the preceding year. Answer above rupees 5 crore. I repeat question number 44. It is mandatory to report HSN code at 4 digits level for taxpayers having annual turnover of dash in the preceding year. Answer above rupees 5 crore. Question number 45. Supplies made by SEZ on cover of bill of entry shall be reported by DTA unit in answer form GSTR 2. Question number 46. Exempted supply includes answer non-taxable supply. Question number 47. Non-GST supply means supply of petroleum products and alcoholic liquor. I repeat question number 47. Non-GST supply means option A, supply of petroleum products and alcoholic liquor. Option B, supply of money. Option C, supply of securities. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer option A, supply of petroleum products and alcoholic liquor. Question number 48. supplier of OIDAR services is required to file return monthly. Answer, within 20 days after the end of such month. Question number 49. If a registered taxable person fails to furnish a return under section 39, 44 or 45, 39, 39, 44, 44 or 45, 45, a notice shall be issued requiring him to furnish such return within 15 days in answer form GSTR 3A. Question number 50. Which of the following is an exception while calculating aggregate turnover? Option A, exempt supplies. Option B, export of goods or services or both. Option C, interest or discount received by him on deposit, loan or advance. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, interest or discount received by him on deposit, loans or advances. Question number 51. If a contract entered into by a lunatic or person of unsound mind for his benefit, it dash can be enforced. Question number 52. A person who is usually of sound mind but occasionally of unsound mind, answer, may enter into contract when he is of sound mind. Question number 53. An agreement by lunatic when he is of unsound mind is dash, answer, void. Question number 54. Dash is an agreement which involves the transgression of some rule of basic public policy and is criminal in nature or immoral. Answer, illegal agreement. Then question number 55. A dash is one which a party can put to an end if his consent was not free. Answer, voidable contract. I repeat, question number 55. A dash is one which a party can put to an end if his consent was not free. Option A, void contract. Option B, void agreement. Option C, voidable contract. Option D, illegal agreement. Correct answer, option C, voidable contract. Question number 56. An agreement by lunatic when he is of sound mind is, answer, valid. Question number 57. Where both the parties to an agreement are under mistake as to matter of fact essential to the agreement there is, answer, bilateral mistake. Question number 58. When in a contract only one of the parties is at mistake, it is called as dash, answer, unilateral mistake. Question number 59. Dash is one which transactions collateral to it also become tainted with illegality and are therefore not enforceable. Answer, an illegal agreement. Question number 60. Where both parties believe the subject matter of the contract to be in existence, but in fact it is not in existence at the time of making the contract, there is dash. Answer, mistake as to existence of the subject matter. Question number 61. Mistake as to identity of the subject matter. The contract is dash. Answer, void and enforceable. Question number 62. A contract which ceases to be enforceable by law is known as, answer, void contract. Question number 63. An agreement made without consideration is dash. Answer, void. Question number 64. An agreement with or by minor is dash. Answer, void ab initio. Question number 65. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A, minor can be promissory or beneficiary. Answer, minor can be promissory. Option A, minor can be promissory or beneficiary. Option B, minor can ratify the agreement entered during minority on attaining the age of majority. Option C, there can be specific performance of the agreement entered into minor. Option D, minor can enter into a contract of partnership. Correct answer, option A, minor can be promissory or beneficiary. Question number 66. Consent is not said to be free when it is not caused by dash. Answer, option A, coercion. Option B, undue influence. Option C, fraud. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. That is coercion, undue influence and fraud. Consent is not said to be free when it is not caused by coercion, undue influence, and fraud. Question number 67. When a person is compelled to enter into a contract by the use of force, dash is said to be employed. Coercion is said to be employed. Question number 68. Criminal act is involved in dash. Answer. Option A, mistake. Option B, misrepresentation. Option C, coercion. Option D, both A and B. Correct answer, option C, coercion. Question number 69. Coercion is mainly of dash character. Answer, physical. Option A, moral. Option B, physical. Option C, illegal. Option D, moral as well as physical. Correct answer, option B, physical. Question number 70. Undue influence is of dash character. Option A, moral. Option B, physical. Option C, illegal. Option D, moral as well as physical. Correct answer, option A, moral. Question number 71. Coercion includes option A, menace to goods. Option B, causing fear. Option C, physical compulsions. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. Question number 72. One second. Question number 72. Dash is the committing or threatening to commit any act forbidden by the Indian Penal Code 1860. Answer. Option A, coercion. Option B, I repeat, question number 72. Dash is the committing or threatening to commit any act forbidden by the Indian Penal Code 1860. 1860. Option A, coercion. Option B, fraud. Option C, misrepresentation. Option D, undue influence. Correct answer, option A, coercion. Question number 73. A contract is said to be induced by dash where the relations subsisting between the parties are such that one of the parties is in a position to dominate the will of the other and uses that position to obtain an unfair advantage over the other. Option A, coercion. Option B, fraud. Option C, misrepresentation. Option D, undue influence. Correct answer, option D, undue influence. Question number 74. Any breach of duty without an intent to deceive constitutes dash. Answer, misrepresentation. Any breach of duty without an intent to deceive constitutes dash. Option A, suppression of facts. Option B, breach of contract. Option C, misrepresentation. Option D, fraud. Correct answer, option C, misrepresentation. Question number 75. One of the requisites of a valid contract is that the object should be dash. Answer, lawful. Question number 76. Section 23 provides that the consideration or object of an agreement is lawful unless. Answers, option A, it is forbidden by law. Option B, it is of such nature that if permitted it would defeat the provisions of law. Option C, it is fraudulent. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 77. The chief ingredients of the fraud is dash. Answer, option A, false representation or assertion. Option B, made with the intention that it would be acted upon. Option C, the representation must have actually induced the other party to enter into the contract and so deceived him. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. Question number 78. Dash may lead to prosecution for an offense of cheating under the Indian Penal Code. Option A, fraud. Option B, misrepresentation. Option C, true presentation. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer, option A, fraud. Question number 79. If the object of an agreement is the performance of an unlawful act, the agreement is. Answer, unenforceable. Question number 80. An agreement which involves or implies injury to the person or property of another is. Answer, void. Question number 81. An agreement is void if the object of agreement is dash. Answer, immoral. Question number 82. Consequence of illegal agreements dash. Answer, option A. An illegal agreement is entirely void. Option B. No action can be brought by a party to an illegal agreement. Option C. Money paid or property transferred under an illegal agreement cannot be recovered. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. Question number 83. Assessment includes option A. Self-assessment. Option B. Reassessment. Option C. Summary assessment. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. Question number 84. Assessment includes option A. Assessment of non-filer. Option B. Assessment of non-registrant. Option C. Both A and B. Correct answer, both A and B. Question number 85. Who are covered within the meaning of authorized representative? Option A. Employees. Option B. Relatives. Option C. Practicing chartered accountant. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer, option D. All of the above. Question number 86. Board for the purpose of GST means. Answer, Central Board of Excise and Customs. Then question number 87. One second. Question number 87. Composite supply means a supply made by at a taxable person to recipient consisting of two or more of goods or services which are. Answer, taxable supplies naturally blended. Question number 88. Composite supply means two or more taxable supplies of. Answer is a principal supply. Is a principal supply. Question number 89. Consideration does not include option A. Advance deposit in addition to sale consideration. Option B. Subsidy given by CGST. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of the above. Correct answer, option C. Both A and B. That is advance deposit in addition to sale consideration and subsidy given by CG and SG. Question number 90. Continuous supply of services means a supply of services which is provided or agreed to be provided continuously under a contract for a period exceeding with dash periodic payment obligations. Answer, 3 months. Question number 91. In which of the following cases credit note shall be issued by the registered person who has supplied the goods or services to the recipient? Option A. Taxable value or tax charged in the tax invoice exceeds the taxable value or tax payable in respect of such supply. Option B. Goods supplied are returned by the recipient. Option C. Goods supplied are found to be deficient. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. Question number 92. In which of the following cases credit note shall be issued by the registered person who has supplied the goods or services to the recipient? Option A. Taxable value or tax charged in the tax invoice is less than the taxable value or tax payable in respect of such supply. Option B. Goods supplied are returned by the recipient. Option C. Goods supplied are found to be deficient. Option D. Both B and C. Correct answer, both B and C. That is, goods supplied are returned by the recipient and goods supplied are found to be deficient. Both these. Question number 93. In which of the following cases debit note shall be issued by the registered person who has supplied the goods or services to the recipient? Answer, taxable value or tax charged in the tax invoice is less than the taxable value or tax payable in respect of such supply. Question number 94. Which of the following supplies have been noticed as deemed export? Option A. Supply of goods by the registered person against advance authorization. AA. Option B. Supply of capital goods by the registered person against export promotion capital goods authorization. EPCG. Option C. both A and B, and option D, none of the above. Correct answer option C, both A and B. That is supply of goods by the registered person against advance authorization A and supply of capital goods by the registered person against export promotion capital goods authorization, that EPCG. Then question number 95. Which of the following supplies have been notified as deemed export? Option A, supply of goods by the registered person to export oriented unit EOU. Option B, supply of goods by the registered person to electronic hardware technology park unit EHTP. Option C, supply of goods by the registered person to software technology park unit STP. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. Question number 96. Which of the following supplies shall be covered within the meaning of exempt supplies? Correct answer, option A, supplies which attract nil rate of tax. Option B, supplies which are wholly exempt from tax. Option C, non-taxable supply. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 97. Fixed establishment shall mean, answer, place which is characterized by sufficient degree of permanence and suitable structure in terms of human and technical resources. Question number 98. Fund for the purpose of GST means consumer welfare fund. Option A, consumer welfare fund. Option B, customer welfare fund. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer, consumer welfare fund. I repeat, fund for the purpose of GST means consumer welfare fund. Question number 99. Which of the following shall be included within India for the purpose of GST? Option A, territorial waters. Option B, continental shelf. Option C, exclusive economic zones. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 100. Which of the following is inputted? Option A, IGST charged on import of goods. Option B, taxable under reverse charge. Option C, tax paid under composition levy. Option D, both A and B. Correct answer, both the A and B. That is IGST charge import of goods and taxable under reverse charge. Thank you.